How to fix Windows Server not activated issue. Here's some tips that would help you with Windows Server not activated issue. 1. Go to http://bit.ly/2rnrlbp-kms client setup keys to find the specific KMS key. Run the following commands as admin: slmgr/ipk, your own KMS key here, slmgr/skms-kms8.ms.com/802. Run the following command. As admin, VBS rearm. Reboot your system later. 3. Find your Mac keys at https://www.microsoft.com/licensing/servicecenter/default.aspx, Microsoft, Volume Licensing Service Center. Run the following two commands as admin: VBS/IPKMAK product key VBS/ADO.